Welcome to Hostinger's AI Website Builder tutorial. Create a site with zero coding. Sign into your Hostinger account and open the AI Website Builder dashboard. Select your website type and browse AI-powered templates tailored to your industry. Describe your business, tone, and preferred colors in the AI brief and click Generate. The builder generates layouts and images. Pick one and preview variations instantly. Edit text directly, swap images, and adjust styles with the intuitive Scribble style editor. Add sections like contact forms, galleries, and pricing with a single click. Switch to mobile preview, tweak layouts, and ensure responsive design across devices. Configure SEO basics, connect your domain, and set site analytics and settings. Before and after, watch a split-screen reveal of the original page and the new site. When ready, click Publish. Your AI-built site goes live in seconds with hosting. That's it. Edit anytime, scale features, and start growing your online presence today.